Earth rotates 1,600 kilometers. Moon drifts 3.8 centimeters away. Sun emits unimaginable energy. Light from a supernova travels 1.08 billion kilometers. In that same hour, Akums is in motion. 5.47 million oral solids produced. 87,600 sterile units manufactured. 47,650 liquid doses filled. 18,000 external units created. And through it all, our vision is clear: to deliver research-based, affordable, high-quality, innovative products that uphold excellence and transform healthcare. In the cosmic clock, Akums moves at impact speed, relentless, precise, transformative.